Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. I just got back early this morning from a work trip and I need to do so much of a reset, it's not even funny. So we're gonna do that together and I'll just kind of take you through my usual process of when I get back from a trip, whether it's for work or for fun, kind of how I get back into the swing of things once I actually get back home. So come along for that. But first things first, I got a new phone that just came in the mail, so I'm finishing setting it up. Okay, for unpacking the suitcase, I feel like I already did a couple things just because of toiletries and stuff, but a lot of my work clothes I get dry cleaned, and I am so blessed that I have a dry cleaning service that I use that comes and picks it up and then takes it back and drops it off when it's done. So I just need to put everything in kind of the pickup bag and then go from there. So that'll be like most of the clothes I feel like, and then the rest I can just throw in the hamper in the wash. And my toiletries bag, a good collection of the stuff that I pack, I leave in here except for like a couple of things, so that also makes it easier too. Okay, that wasn't too bad. I just need to put away just kind of like shoes and socks and things, and here's some extra underwear, and then we should be good. So I'm just gonna close this up for now, because that's pretty much everything left that I'm gonna put in there anyways. And the rest is just kind of miscellaneous things like this or whatever else. So it's pretty simple to just put those away. So one of the other things that I want to do, that I've actually just been meaning to do this, it has nothing to do with traveling and being back, but I've noticed it now that I'm back, is refill my Grove multi-purpose cleaner and then also my kitchen hand soap and just top off the dish soap. So I usually buy, for sure, the soaps in bulk and then just refill the reusable containers. And then for Grove Co, I get their little concentrates, and then you just get the bottles like, you know, once, unless they break or something. But I just get them, pour the concentrate in, and then you just fill it up with water, and it works like a charm. So I'm just gonna take a rag and run them over all of the windowsills. I've noticed those look really dirty, and it's a little cool out, so I opened the windows, and so it just emphasized it even more. So I want to wipe those down and refill the soaps too. Good morning, everybody. It's the next day. I am just pulling into Target. We're gonna pick up a couple of miscellaneous things. I don't necessarily need groceries, but sparkling water, a couple of cleaning products, and just kind of refill, that sort of thing. And then this afternoon I'm getting a massage, so I'm very excited about that. That also does not have to do with travel reset. We're kind of past that. We've reset, we're back into the swing of things. This I actually booked for like myself birthday present, but I wasn't able to get on the schedule until this week, which is like a week later or whatever it is. So we have that, and then we'll see what we get up to the rest of the day. I feel like this is what I need for cleaning the bathroom and the shower and the corners and stuff. I don't know. Maybe I'll see what else they have, but this is more what I was thinking.
this. My thighs are gonna be out for Wednesday.
I know you like it.
My pulse is out.
I like that. Cute. Okay. We are getting ready to go to dinner. I had my massage earlier. I also have a little strapless top on. I had my massage earlier and she really worked on some of the knots. And I'm nervous I'm gonna be sore tomorrow, so I'm gonna try and drink lots of water. That always helps. But sometimes, one time when I got a massage, they did definitely like deep tissue, and I literally felt nauseous the next day. Which I feel like it was just releasing all the toxins maybe. I don't know. I'm no MD. But we're gonna go to dinner. You can come with, and we'll see what else we get up to.
This way?